What we've done is we've gone out and we've used technology to help the truckers identify what spaces are available at our rest areas, and they will be able to, as they're coming down the road, be able to determine in advance that there's open spots and try to use that information to get a best spot for them to stop and take their breaks. We've used a company called All Traffic Solutions that has laser technology that identifies and classifies vehicles as they come into our service areas on if they're a passenger vehicle or a truck. And with that information that we receive from that, we have an idea how many parking stalls are in the service areas. We have fiber optics and so forth that goes out to roadside signs, and on those signs we tell how many spaces are available at the service area. We can also use that technology to determine if a vehicle is going the wrong way in the service area. This project is expected to be done in the next couple months. With the rough winter we've had in the wet soil, we're gonna be able to get in and get all that fiber optics placed in the ground. So as soon as it dries up, our maintenance personnel can get out and put the fiber optics in the ground. We will be up and operational. I'm what they call Intelligent Transportation Systems, ITS type of person. So for me, being able to use the technology to provide information to our travelers is always exciting. The trucking industry is important to the Kansas Turnpike, so we want to be able to provide that information to them so they can better travel our roads.